Alright, before Chef Dom starts his fried yellow squash, we're gonna make a nice aioli, a garlic aioli. And we have all of our ingredients here. It's very, very simple. Half a cup of mayo, we have some lemon, olive oil, salt, pepper, and of course garlic. So the first thing we're gonna do is take just a clove of garlic, not too big of a clove, you don't want to overpower it. There we go. With about a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, quarter teaspoon of salt, half a lemon here. I actually just need a teaspoon of lemon. No seeds there. And then about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. And that's all there is to it. It's delicious. Easy. Really complements the squash, even zucchini if you're going to make fried zucchini. That's it. We're going to go ahead and let this chill for about 30 minutes. And then it'll be ready. Let's start that squash.
All right, we got some beautiful zucchini here for our fried zucchini today. It's going to be really good. We got some sauce for our zucchini, and also Paul just made an aioli, a garlic aioli for this. Let's get started. We're going to cut these. What we want to do is we're going to cut these on an angle so they're long, you know?
Oh, yeah. Have some nice big pieces. Perfecto. Man, those are nice.
All right, we're gonna make our egg wash. It's the same one that we use for everything.
Pretty basic breading process.
All right, we're gonna put a little pepper in there, salt. Cheese, salt in it, and we'll put a little granulated garlic in there too.
Yeah.
And we're going to salt and pepper our flour too. It's so good. I guarantee your kids would love these too.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Put sauce on anything, they'll eat anything.
It's true.
I remember my dad, when he opened up his first Italian restaurant in Texas in 1979, he used to make his own cheese sticks out of the 5-pound blocks of fresh mozzarella. They were good, remember?
Oh, yeah.
When Dad made those.
That was the best mozzarella.
It was, man. Better than that frozen crap.
Oh, for sure. Nice.
I'll eat those raw.
Okay. All right. Ready for the fryer.
We're going to fry our zucchini up here now.
We got this oil on 350 degrees. And we just use regular vegetable oil for this.
Olive oil's too expensive and good to just fry in.
Yeah, that's for sure. Beautiful. Cooking about a minute and a half on each side.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, it depends on how thick they are, really. Too, you know? All right. Oh man, those look freaking awesome. Oh, look at that. Do a taste test.
Wait until they get cool, man.
No, it's too damn hot now. Great.
Nice and crispy.
yeah. All right, these are ready. Okay.
All right, we're gonna plate these up.
Nice.
I'm telling you, your kids are gonna love these.
Oh man.
I like them little crispy.
Never mind the kids. I shouldn't have said that word. Oops. PG channel.
All right.
That's good.
I'm gonna put a little Parmesan cheese on here.
Oh yeah. A little parsley.
Parsley.
Oh, that looks beautiful. Aioli. Garlic aioli. I'm going to have this recipe in the description below. And also I'll have the recipe to the marinara sauce. So. Oh, here's the marinara. This dish is traditionally served with the marinara sauce, but we thought we'd give it a little twist. Oh, that looks beautiful. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Very nice. All right. Let's eat.